What is the most reliable furnace brand? This is a question many homeowners in Olympia, Washington ask when it is time to replace their heating system. The honest answer is there is no single most reliable furnace brand. Manufacturers like Trane, Carrier, Lennox, Rheem, and Bryant consistently rank high for durability and performance. However, brand name alone does not guarantee reliability. Proper sizing, professional installation, and regular maintenance play a much bigger role in how long your furnace will actually last. In Olympia, Washington, furnaces run through long, damp winters and often operate for extended cycles. If a system is oversized, undersized, or poorly installed, it will wear out faster regardless of a logo on the cabinet. A correctly sized and professionally installed furnace will almost always outperform a premium brand that was installed improperly. If you're considering furnace replacement, do not rely on brand reputation alone. Schedule your furnace consultation with Blues Heating and Air today. Call now or book online to get expert guidance on choosing the right furnace for your Olympia, Washington home and budget.